Okay, starting off with your digital signage player, you'll notice the signage player is on, it's connected to the internet, it's connected to the software which is delivering content to your screen. Now, let's turn the screen off so that it's no longer connected to the internet. When you turn your screen on, your screen will either connect automatically or you'll need it connected to the internet. Let's take a common scenario where the screen is not connected to the internet. You'll wait for it to load up. Find your system settings. Go into your network settings. Find your network. Go onto your network, put it by putting in your username and password. Oftentimes, it's easier to plug a keyboard and a mouse into the back so that you can put in your network settings. It's just a little bit faster that way. Or you can use your remote to input your system settings or your network settings, a username and password. Once you've done that, once you're connected to the internet, exit and exit again. Exit a third time, and it'll take you to a screen that looks like this with the application list at the bottom. Go down either with the mouse or using your remote, highlight your application list, press enter, look for your signage player, and click on your signage player over there. Once the signage player connects, it's already connected to the internet, and your media will start playing automatically with feed that's driven from an external location, so you don't need to do anything else. Once this is on, it's connected to the internet and it's fed your graphics onto the screen. There's really nothing that you need to do. If an update is required and we need to put new content on here, we can easily do that over the web. And really, there's not much that you need to do. If the content is not feeding and you realize that there's something going on, that it's not feeding the content the way that you want it to, go ahead, turn the machine off, turn it back on again, reconnect to Wi-Fi, go into your application list, find the application, press play, and you should be back up and live.